Hi guys, today I'm with my friend Ofa.
Hey.
And today we're gonna play Nitro type on
my account. So,
okay. Well, today we're gonna show you guys a few races. If any friends are online today, we're gonna pick this name.
so now I'm just claiming. Now I'm going to my achievements. I have one achievement. Let's see what that is.
Going cruising back.
Cruising back. Let's see. What could it be?
Click it.
You got it?
Can I type for you this for the race?
And Jonathan's gonna type for me. Let's see.
Wait, you would have enough of it all. Okay?
Let's see. What is
Still
he
open?
going to do? That's really good. Oh my gosh, why is it so big? How do you make it so big?
Wait.
Wow, he's first place.
Wait, what?
Why is it so big?
Because look at there, right there. You can change it.
He got first place, guys.
Woo! Yeah! You're level 19. Wait, check if any of your
I'm
friends
on
are
level
online.
19.
Yeah? Oh, nobody. No. That's
Where are
me.
you?
I'm at the bottom.
You're a millionaire?
Yeah, I'm the fifth. Wait, what's Harry? What? Level 61? Wait, as you can see down here, this is literally my name in Chinese. My name is in Chinese.
Why?
You can change your name to any language you want. You want to leave it English?
Yeah.
What,
You're a millionaire? I want to be a millionaire.
You can only get that name when you have more than $1 million. The rocket's quite good. Let's see. You have to get a lot more money. You have to get at least $1 million. Can you just change your name? It's still English. What do you want to be? What's your favorite basketball
I want that
player?
to be, no, that's still, oh, Frank Nakila.
You wanted to, that's your name?
Sure, Frank Nakila. No, only Nakila.
How do you spell it?
Next,
No.
search it up
I think it's
on a different tab.
Excellent.
Nope, that's not how I spell it.
Hey!
Sorry.
Logged out.
No, I didn't.
Logged out.
Now you logged me out. Just logged me out.
I can log one. I've been logging in.
No, you're going on mine. I want to change my name. Now I don't even have a name.
You do have a name. Fine, I want to go back.
Wait, what?
What did I do?
I'm gonna
Forgot I
log
was
in
the
back to my
touchscreen.
account.
I forgot about the touch.
And let's see. Let's go to
Your
my
name is definitely
profile.
Add a tab. I think I have to block it by second.
Now let's go and search up next.
Look at the stream.
Here, Frank Nakila. Point guard.
The tequila. Oh, it's the I'll just
See,
blah blah blah. Your name will be that. It's that's a Lakina.
Nilakina. Nilaki. Nilakina.
You can change your name. Miss Freeman.
No. Mega winner.
You go in there.
Yeah, mega winner.
Okay. Go for it. Let's go back here. Now your name. You can change your name only if you're over level 7. Okay. So let's go. Make a race. Get a race.
Should I do it?
Okay.
Hey guys,
So that's
we didn't forget about you.
just so quiet today.
Yeah. We're having a sleepover, so.
We're probably gonna do one next morning.
Oh,
Oh wait.
he's playing. Onions are grown in the middle of centimeters around the world. Oh, he's first car. Oh my gosh, he's leading. No. Nilakina. Nilakina's leading. Yes, we're
Yes!
leading. Give me one.
20!
Okay. They go.
Woo!
Got a new
The cars
achievement.
are off! Wow.
Now I can make my own cheese.
No, you have to get. Yeah, you can make one. But no, but look. Look how much you have to get. Look how much money you have to have. You have to have $10,000. Yeah, $5 million.
Price.
We can tag colors gonna be red, right? We can just pretend
Team
though.
tag New York Knicks.
And white.
No.
No, that's gonna. The team name's gonna be New York Knicks.
That's not has fun.
Let's see.
Don't spell red ones. Just if you don't spell, just play Knicks.
But it has to be up like that so you can use a full tab. Minimum level. Minimum level of
I know.
15. Minimum speed. 10 words per minute. Other requirements.
Enter password. My password's gonna be there.
No, what is your password?
Oh no, that's not my password. Wow, that's
Your real password to log in. Oh, sorry.
wait. I didn't do my whole password.
You don't have enough money to react.
Oh, that's so sad.
I've almost enough money to get. Wait, please, can you find one of them for me?
Look, Christmas Day. But that already ended. Next vlog. Look what I did. Look, I spelled that on my cousin.
Wait, just showing you. Just showing you.
No.
This is real.
Level 7.
Yep.
Buy our next tickets at official. And
Is it okay? You would probably want to do that because. Wait, please do Panama 100. I know the password. It's one of my accounts.
No, it's not.
Yeah, literally, I have more than one account.
You don't need level 5, 7, 6.
I can. Wait, can I click that?
Yeah. No, that's not you. It's Priya.
It's me and Priya. Together.
Why vote?
Because
Can
we made the
one
account.
together?
Sure. Wait, first I just have to get the pin. What did I do? Oh yeah. Wait, cream. I don't know. Should I? Should I?
No.
I'll do it later.
Don't go on this. I don't wonder if you know.
Wait. Now that I'm on page 100, I think
Wait, you don't have.
I think.
Why am I your friend?
Look, you are
We're in the
right here. Look, I can look here. And guess what? I can.
Yes.
Only if it's good with
It's right.
I'm not sure about that. That's Korea. Is it probably like Korea? I'm not one yet. I'm not saying Korea. Wait, can I just go into my account?
Can we go together? Can we make an account together?
Alright. Wait.
Hey guys, just don't forget about you.
We need only 2 more minutes to see you guys and we're done. Okay, the user.
Hey, guys. The user.
It's gonna be OFAC okay. And the password.
Don't spell.
It's gonna be this. I'm gonna make one for you.
Sorry for that.
You can take this one.
This is for both of us.
Yeah, this one. Yeah,
Both of us. We can have two.
no, it's the same account. I just have the same.
Oh yeah, so then we could have remembered.
Yeah, so
Just sign up. Hey guys, we're making a new
account.
account for me.
Wait, can I take the?
Okay, let's do username.
It's gonna wait. Alright. Can you have my picture?
What?
Back 20. 0. Wait, do you want a dash?
This is where I use what I've learned. This is where I grew up, and it's
Sorry,
also
guys.
where I...
It's gonna be.
What did you say?
I did it softly. Hopefully nobody. Yes. This is only a response. So see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.